Hi guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you Aztec 2. It is a 50 centimeter, just like the original one. Full color. Well, we say that. It does have some transparencies. The white is transparent. Yeah, white parts are transparent, but it does have a lot of color going on in it. So this will be in the abstract section along with the original Aztec. Personally, I think I like this one a little more. We are dipped into a white speed shape. I would use the white base coat. Our white DTP sells like dang near every day, so that'd be a great one. A lot of you are doing tumblers these days, so some of you still are anyway. This could be 2025 that you're watching this video, I guess, but in today's day, a lot of you are doing tumblers, stainless steel, and the DTP goes directly to that. So it eliminates, there's no priming, no scuffing, none of that jazz. So I guess what I'm saying is, if you haven't tried DTP, you should probably give it a shot. And there is Aztec 2. It's pretty colorful. I think it looks kind of goofy, just the placement of that line on the center of the speed shape, but it's because it is a pretty, I mean, I would say that's a fairly large pattern, so it's not really made for small parts like that. But it would look good on a larger part. Anywho, again, that will be in the abstract section at KansasHydrographics.com. If you guys have any questions or anything, always feel free to give us a call. If you're having trouble with any film, anything, give us a call, shoot us an email, hit us up on Facebook, whatever you prefer. Thank you guys again for watching. We really appreciate it, all the feedback that we get from you guys. Have a good week, and we'll see you next time.